Welcome back. Dawson Fernandes is looking to cash in on his opportunity to play for Indian national football team. The 23-year-old Sporting Clube de Goa forward is in the squad for the upcoming international friendly against Tajikistan. For Dawson, this is a dream come true moment as he had never even got a chance to play for India in the junior teams.
I have with me Sporting Clube de Goa's Dawson Fernandes, who has recently been called up for the Indian national football squad. Dawson, how was your reaction when you first came to know about the call?
I was very happy, but I was waiting for this moment long back. It was a dream for me to come in the Indian team. First of all, I'd like to thank God and the two persons who made this achieve for me is that sporting coach Alex Alvarez and manager Velvin. Those were the two persons who brought me in sporting, and because when I was in Salonga 3 years, I never got a chance to play, and I was very hungry for the chance opportunity to get for me. So I was very lucky to have them, and very lucky to have a president and management like Sporting who always gave me a chance and believed in me to give me. And I try and make a full opportunity to make this opportunity a very good work for my career.
What is your strong point as a forward?
I don't have much patience. I'm very arrogant. I always want to score goals. Whenever I take a field, I always focus on scoring goals. And now I'm trying much more better and working very hard that I'll improve my finishing and give my best, and so that I like to impress everyone and make a good career in future, so that I'll be a good player in future.
You said you are arrogant and you don't have much patience. So, are you a kind of a player, a selfish player, or are you a team player?
No, I'm not a selfish player, but I'm a team player. But arrogant meaning on a field, like I don't have patience. Like I get very arrogant. Like when anything happens, like everyone misses a ball. It happens in the game, but every time when I do those kind of, everyone tells me that I'm very arrogant, that I don't have patience. But it's there. I try to control myself, but it never comes to me.
You never got a chance to play for India, even in the youth ranks. So, how hard was it to motivate yourself?
It was very hard last when I was back in Sarukas years, and I was very low with confidence. I didn't even have a club, and I'm very thankful to have a management like Sporting because they gave me a chance. Because if you normally see in the I-League nowadays, there are hardly youngsters playing and Indian players playing. Sporting are the more team that are youngsters are playing. We are all set, like all the players, we know each other very well because we have been now in 3 years together, and most of the youngsters like 20, 24 of them are at the age we are in the team. So it's very good moment for us that we keep on setting our team and make a good future and have a good result for Sporting Club.
Call up to the Indian team has really pepped up this youngster, and probably if he gets the chance to play against Tajikistan in the upcoming international friendly, it will be another feather in the cap for Goan football. With video journalist Tushidas Chari, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent from Panaji.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.